Hi YouTubers, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today I want to give you one of my tips to help supercharge your manifestations. Listen, this is something that I do every single morning, and believe me, it doesn't matter if we're talking about health, money, wealth, career, or relationships. This little technique or ritual that I do every morning is going to help you in that direction. It's something that is very simple and powerful. At the same time, you will start noticing in your life, day by day, things starting to get better. But I do want you to watch this video all the way to the end. Not only am I going to tell you what I'm doing, but I will give you a couple of examples that you can use. Maybe you can fix it up for yourself and use it to actually see change in your life too. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel that brings you that information that you can understand, put it into action, and get results. So don't forget to support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now, let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you that I do every single morning to supercharge my manifestations? Now, listen, you guys, a lot of people out there want something quick. They want something to happen like overnight. What I'm telling you is something that you should do every single day. And by you doing it, everything will just seem to fall into place for you. It's like when you're going out and you're doing something and you think something might not work the way you want it to work, all of a sudden, everything just falls into place. You go somewhere, you're looking for something, it's sold out. All of a sudden, there's one extra one sitting on a counter somewhere where no one else was looking. It's one of those things that you just do, and it seems like no matter what happens during your day, things seems to fall right in place. This is what I'm talking about for today, and it leads to change, and it leads to even greater change as you keep doing it. There's a job out there that you're going for. Someone else has more credentials than yourself, but the job actually falls in your hand. You want a car, it's too much. All of a sudden, there's a sale going on, and they take the amount of money that you wanted off the car, and now it's yours. These are little things that happen when you start putting out little affirmations like what I'm about to tell you. Every single morning when I get up, there's certain things that I say to myself to convince myself that this is the way I want my life to go. Every single morning I talk to myself. I speak to myself. Okay? Why? Because it is an affirmation for me, and it confirms who I am and who I expect to be. It doesn't matter if that's what's going on in your life at that moment. But when I get up in the morning, that is my me time to speak into existence what it is that I desire. How do I do it? It's an affirmation, but I do it in my own way. When I get up in the morning and I go to the bathroom, or if I wake up in the morning, I say, thank you, God, for blessing me, for waking me up this morning. I am very grateful. That right there is an affirmation stating that you're grateful for just waking up. Now, once you get up and you go into the bathroom, you might say something in the mirror like, I love and accept myself just the way I am every single day. By you doing these little things, you are showing appreciation for who you are. You are showing that you are grateful for being here, grateful for who you are, and you love yourself. By doing that, you are telling your subconscious mind that you believe in yourself and that you're not going to accept certain things in your life because you are deserving and worthy of whatever it is that you desire. Now, some more affirmations that I might use in the morning. I might say, I am powerful. I have control over my life. I have everything that I need to succeed in life. I believe in myself more than anyone. I am grateful for the opportunities that today brings. If you're going through some challenges and you figure that something might not go right for your day, you might say, I can overcome anything. I have the power inside of me to handle anything that comes my way. I have the tools to solve any problem that comes my way. I love and appreciate myself. I love you, I love you, I love you. What the universe has for others, it has for me, and even more. When you get up and make statements with confidence, expecting whatever it is you want to come true for the day, you are supercharging your manifestations. The more and more you do this, it actually builds up, and then your subconscious mind starts to expect it. Remember, you guys, your subconscious mind don't know the difference between what is real and what is not. Even if situations in your life are not exactly the way you want it to be, you speak it into existence. You wake up in the morning. If I was to tell you what you say in the morning is going to, or what you think in the morning is going to dictate how your day plays out, what would you pay attention to? What would you say? How would you go about your morning if I told you this is so? Now listen, everyone. It is so. So if you look at life this way, you would start thinking differently, and then you would start to understand that you cannot give other people or circumstances control over your life. These are powerful things that I'm telling you guys that I use. And as I go about my day, as I go about my month or year, I see things getting better and better. I see myself exceeding past the rest of the people. Not because I'm smarter than them. It's because I believe in myself. I have confidence in myself. And I always moved up the ladder because of it. When you wake up in the morning and you say, I am beautiful, I am happy, I am courageous, whatever it is that's coming my way, I know it will work in my favor. I am powerful, and anything that I need to be successful for the day is already here. Whatever God has for others, God has for me, and even more. When you wake up like this and you say it with confidence, you put your music on and you walk around knowing, expecting the best for the day, your life starts to change. It starts to go in a different direction. Believe me, try it, you guys. If you just try it, you'll say, Yvette, oh my God, I started doing that. I started saying, I love me for me. I love me for who I am. I expect the best in my life. I expect to walk out this door today and everything positive come my way. Whatever it is that I encounter, I have the power and the courage to overcome anything. Whatever it is you're going through in your life, if you expect and dictate in the morning how you want your day to go, how you want your life to be, it has to work. It is law. It's just that simple. You guys have to understand what you speak, what you think is creating your life. And if you wake up in the morning expecting the best will come to you. This is my secret, and I'm passing it along to you. And I want to tell you guys again, some little affirmations that you guys can use to help supercharge your manifestations so that you can see change for the new year. Again, little things that I would say in the morning. I might say something like, thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for waking me up. I might say, I am powerful. I am a creator. I create my life for what I want it to be. What God has for others, God has for me, and even more. Whatever it is that's coming my way today, I can handle it. I have the ability and the power to handle whatever it is that comes my way. I might say, Yvette, I love you more and more every day. I might say, I have more faith in myself than anybody else. I am successful. I am powerful. I am loved. I am grateful for all the opportunity today brings. Thank you, God, for blessing me. Thank you, universe, for blessing me. Thank you, universe, for a beautiful day. I have all that I need to excel. I have all that I need to live. I have all that I need. Thank you, God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. These are little things that you can wake up in the morning and you can say to yourself, and listen, you're not just going to say it. You're going to say it, believe it, and have fun with it, everyone. It's very important. If you have to set your Google or your Alexa to play some music to get you in the mood like I do, go ahead and do it. But you remember, whatever it is you're saying, you say it with confidence. You say it expecting the best for the day. You say it expecting the best for your life, and watch your life change. Now, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. Again, this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel. Support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping that bell. You can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also go to store.myworldofmetaphysics.com if you want to buy crystals and candles and sage and incense, whatever it is for your spiritual needs. Again, we just spoke about what to say in the morning to actually change your life for the new year. And I'm telling you guys, try it. You're going to be writing me, telling me how it worked for you. Again, this is Yvette, and namaste.